తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Dozen IS officer, additional commissioner, zonal commissioner, assist GHMC commissioner sahab who's referred by his officers as honorable commissioner. Honorable commissioner, sir. Naya dekha sir, I see all the notification, letters, everything. Usme zabardast bol rahe hain. Honorable commissioner. Wow. Very good, sir. Sir, I heard her worship the mayor, his worship the mayor, but assigning horrific titles to officer is something new. Honorable commissioner. Honorable commissioner. Honorable member of legislative assembly बोल के नहीं बोल रहे सर हमारे को. क्या ये देखो आप ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर बोल के नहीं बोल रहे, इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर बोल के नहीं बोल रहे आपको, मगर ऑफिसर्स को देखो सर ऑनरेबल कमिश्नर. Sir, the GHMC amendment bill, the GHMC second amendment and the Telangana municipality fourth amendment bill are introduced now for discussion and passage. I would urge the government, sir, I'm now coming up with the suggestions and concluding, sir. I would like to urge them to keep the notification on delimitation of wards and reorganization of circles and zones in abeyance for the time being and hold wider consultation with political parties, elected representatives and general public, sir. Sir, I would also demand the government to table the report of the Center for Good Governance and Administrative Staff College of India on the expansion and reorganization of GHMC, sir. There is an old saying, act in haste and repent in leisure. So I hope that you understand this. Unless the delimitation of wards and reorganization of circles and zones is done afresh, this may create chaos for everyone, general public, elected representatives and political parties. Heavens are not going to fall in the whole process of GHMC expansion takes some more time, sir. But let us do it in a proper way. Sir, GHMC amendment bill inter alia incorporated provision of establishing one or more municipal corporation in expanded city, that is Telangana core urban region, sir. All the four metropolitan cities as Bangalore have more than one municipal corporation. More than one municipal corporation. So through you, I would like to suggest that to protect the identity of brand Hyderabad, we need to go for 3 municipalities, municipal corporation. In the TCUR, namely Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, comprising the area of Hyderabad district. A second municipal corporation covering area of Rangareddy and Sangareddy district, and a third municipal corporation consisting of area of Medchal, Malkajgiri district, sir. I think that this is most sensible way to preserve the brand Hyderabad as well as to expedite the growth of the areas extending up to the outer ring road. There can also be a 4th municipal corporation, sir, to cover the area of proposed future city to be spread over 750 square kilometers, sir. Like along with 4 municipal commissionerates, we can have 4 municipalities, sir. Sir, I would demand the government to refer the GHMC amendment and second amendment bill to the select committee, sir. Please refer it to the select committee, sir. And sir, मैं 2-4 बातें करते हुए खत्म कर दूंगा, sir. Sir, हम GHMC के expansion की बात कर रहे हैं, sir. Sir, today we had a discussion on Musa के बारे में बोले. Sir, मैं purposely एक बात कहा, मिनिस्टर साहब बोले कि नहीं ये चैनल है. Sir, it is right, sir. लेकिन हमको इस बात को समझना है, सर, जितने भी लेक्स हैदराबाद में हैं, जैसे ऊपर से आते हैं सर लेक्स, आके टैंकबंड में आते हैं सर, ऐसा ये नेचुरल है. और इस तरफ से अगर हम देखते हैं सर, तो वो चिरान पैलेस है, वो जुबली हिल्स से चिरान पैलेस से वो मासाब टैंक के तालाब में, और फिर उसके बाद में निकल के एक दूसरे तालाब जो कारवान में है, शाह हातम तालाब, हकीम पेट, वो लोटस पाउंड, वहां से पानी जाता है. फिर और एक है सर, ये साउथ ऑफ हैदराबाद में जलपल्ली है, उम्दा सागर है, पल्ले चेरू है. ये ऐसा ये नेचुरल स्रोत से पानी आता है, और ये पानी फ्लड वाटर्स निकल कर जाता है तो मूसी में ही जाता है, सर. सर, वी आर एड्रेसिंग द इशू ऑफ पोल्यूशन ओनली, दैट इज सीवरेज का पोल्यूशन बोल रहे हैं सर. ये टैंकबेंड जिसको हम हुसैन सागर का कट्टा कहते हैं सर, फार्मास्यूटिकल पोल्यूशन इज देयर, sewage is there. What are we doing for that? फिर वो पानी जाएगा कहां पे? मूसी में ही जाएगा। आप साउथ ऑफ हैदराबाद से मूसी को खत्म करेंगे, हो जाएगा। Nobody is, they were saying that we want to rejuvenate Musi, unless and until